How can you check a used phone for the parts of the iPhone and if everything has been original? Let me explain it in this video, and if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you grab your iPhone and go to the settings where you can tap on the general section, and part of the about, you can see all of the information about the phone, like the of course, the software and the name and model and everything. And if anything has been replaced on the phone, like any specific part like the display or anything, you should be able to see a menu which is called the service history. In my case, on some devices, I obviously don't have it because nothing has been done on the phone, but where, I have this phone here, which I basically let the screen be replaced, and I asked like a actual phone repair service. It wasn't done like originally through the Apple Store, but it was done through a third-party professional service, which is fine. And they told me that I have like a few options of the display replacement, so I went with the like middle option. So the most expensive one was the original Apple display. There was also a very cheap one, so I decided to go with the middle option. But it still get recognized as a display change, so that's the first thing. And it also didn't recognize it. Like if I went for the original Apple's display, then it would also let me know that the display has been replaced, but the display part, or the spare part, would likely be recognized by the phone. But since like a third-party one has been used, then it literally tells me about that. So the point is that you can check it out in here and see all of the information in here. Ideally, nothing should be in here, so meaning that nothing has been replaced, and if so, it should be recognized. But even if not, you'll at least know about that through this section. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.